Are you bored of scrolling on TikTok all day? Or do you try to crochet but just don't know where to start? Either way, I'm going to teach you how to crochet very concisely with a little cute project at the end.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So all you'll really need is some yarn, any yarn, a crochet hook, I'm using 5mm, a pair of scissors, and not needed but useful, a yarn needle. This is good for finishing off. So the first step is always to just tie a knot on the hook, and then the foundation for most projects is a chain stitch. So to do that, grab the knot with your thumb and middle finger, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull it through. Keep repeating this. Now when I started, I actually found this a little difficult, but I found a different method to do this. Wrap the yarn around the hook and then pull the knot over the loop with your fingers. Now this will result in a looser chain stitch, but it's a good start. So when you have the width that you want, then we're going to start with the single crochet because that's the easiest stitch. So to do that, go into the second stitch from the hook, wrap the yarn around the hook, and then pull the yarn through the stitch, wrap the yarn around again, and then pull it through both stitches on the hook. So again, just go into the second stitch, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through the stitch, wrap around again, and then pull it through both loops. So when you reach the end of a row, you want to do one chain stitch and then turn it around just so it doesn't end up like a triangle. So when you're done, you'll have something like this, and to fasten off, just pull the hook away from the patch, cut the yarn, and then pull the remaining end through the loop to make a little knot. Then take your hook and then just start weaving it in random places. Try to keep it as discreet as possible. So I showed you how to make a little simple patch, but now let's get started with the little project. So firstly, tie a knot on the hook, then do 6 chain stitches. So again, wrap around and pull it through. Then you want to do a slip stitch by going into the first stitch, wrapping the yarn around the hook, and then pulling it through both stitches. This is just meant to join stitches together. Now do 1 chain stitch, and then go into the next stitch and then wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through the first loop, wrap around, and pull it through the other 2. So basically do a single crochet in each stitch. So again, going into the next one, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through, wrap around again, and pull it through both loops. Just do this 6 times so there's 1 in every stitch. So when you're done, insert the hook in the first stitch you made, wrap the yarn around and pull it through both loops. Now do 5 chain stitches. Now insert the hook in the next stitch and do a single crochet. So again, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through the first loop, wrap around again, and pull it through both loops. Now do 5 chain stitches again and then single crochet into the next stitch. So this is basically making a petal, so you want to do this 6 times. So 5 chain stitches and then single crochet. And when you finished all petals, this is how it should look. It's so cute. I love it. You can gift it to someone, hang it up on your wall, or even attach it to another project. So to fasten off, just cut the yarn and then pull the end through the loop to make a little knot. Then take your hook and just start weaving the end in random places. Congrats, we're done. So I really hope this was useful. Comment below any questions and if I should make a part 2, because there are actually many different stitches in crochet, and I will see you next week.